Huizhou Xuezhiyou Electronic Corporation is the subsidiary of Shenzhen Xuezhiyou Technology Company. Huizhou Xuezhiyou Electronic Corporation Limited has been established as a national high-tech enterprise in Huizhou Science and Technology Park. It aims for producing intelligent electronic products like smart learning tools as talking pen, scan translation pen, tablet PC, and the smart home appliance like the wireless fans and further customization. Xuezhiyou Group offers the effective R&D ability and services, high-capacity production, and on-time delivery to considerate one-stop supplying services. Xuezhiyou Electronic Corporation has two SMT production lines with the intelligent and smart machines and the software systems. The PCBA can be produced in an effective qualified production way, meanwhile the environment production. The daily capacity can be 14,000 pieces to meet the productions and orders demands. In the production workshop, there are 4 production lines in each floor. Then the monthly production capacity can be 24,000 pieces. With all R&D and the production supports, all Xuezhiyou teams are well prepared to bring the products and satisfactory services surpass the client's demands. All our teams also cordially welcome your visit.